If you're trying to decide between Pictory and Lumen5 for your next video creation project, you're probably wondering, which one offers better results? Well, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a solid understanding of what each of these tools brings to the table, and whether there's an even better option available for your video creation needs. Let's start with Pictory. One of its biggest selling points is how it can turn long-form content, like blog posts or articles, into engaging short videos. It uses AI to summarize content, pick out key phrases, and match them with relevant stock footage. For people who want quick, text-based videos with minimal effort, it can work well. But here's the catch: while it's fast, the customization options are somewhat limited. You can't fine-tune your videos as much as some people might like, and that can make the result feel a bit generic at times. Next thing, let's talk about Lumen5. This tool also helps you create videos from text, but it has a more flexible design interface. You can drag and drop elements, adjust text overlays, and choose from a variety of templates. It's definitely more intuitive in that sense and gives you more creative control. However, it doesn't always provide the best AI-driven automatic results. The AI often needs quite a bit of tweaking to get the video looking how you want it. And while the final product can look polished, it often requires a lot of manual effort to fine-tune the details. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Pictory offers a straightforward pricing model, but it can get expensive quickly if you need more features. The higher tier plans provide a few more bells and whistles, like advanced editing options and longer video lengths, but if you're a beginner or someone just trying to get quick videos out, you might not need all that. On the flip side, Lumen5's pricing model is based on video minutes, which can feel like a bit of a headache if you're creating a lot of content. It's not necessarily the best for creators on a budget who need to make lots of videos on a consistent basis. One thing both tools have in common is the use of stock footage. Both Pictory and Lumen5 have vast libraries of stock videos, which can be a huge help in making your content feel professional. However, the quality of stock footage can vary, and sometimes you might find yourself searching for the perfect clip that fits your brand or message. That said, Pictory does a better job of auto-suggesting relevant clips based on the content, while Lumen5 gives you more control over the exact clips you choose. Lastly, let's consider user feedback. While users generally report positive experiences with both tools, there's a common complaint about Pictory's lack of advanced editing options. It's great for quick videos, but for anyone who wants to add intricate animations or adjust timing with precision, it might fall short. Lumen5, on the other hand, gets mixed reviews for its AI not always working as smoothly as expected. Sometimes you'll get a finished product that needs more work than it should. Now, here's the thing: these tools are good, no doubt about it, but after trying both Pictory and Lumen5 myself, I found a better alternative. If you want a tool that combines intuitive design, a robust stock library, and the best AI assistants out there, you should definitely check out the option in the first link in the description. Through that link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available for my viewers. So, while Pictory and Lumen5 have their strengths, if you're serious about getting high-quality videos with minimal hassle, don't miss out on this better alternative. Click the link in the description to see what I mean.